We have seen that earthquake क्या है ये समझ में आ चुका है. What earthquake के causes क्या हैं? Plate movement है, explosive volcanic eruptions है और fault है. Yes or not? Or on the basis of these three major regions we have been able to see कि in the different parts of India how do there is an, I said that seismic zone 4, seismic zone 5 and seismic zone 3, seismic zone 2, these are there. Yes, and we came to know about that seismic zone 5 is, I said that it is 11% in India, and these are in the Himalayan zone. Yes or not? Seismic zone 5 is in the Himalayan zone, and the seismic zone 5 completely northeast because of slam setting of the door phenomena. Yes or not? And thereafter we have seen in the Bhuj region there is a seismic zone 5 because in the Kutch region there is a 3 parallel faults are there, and one we have seen in the Andaman Nicobar. Yes or not? These are the seismic zone 5. And then 4 it is in the Himalayan zone nearby region. Is it clear? And we have also seen the seismic zone 4, it is in the form of, I said that Shivalik range and the Indo-Gangetic plain area. The Bihar which is bordering, that the UP bordering, Haryana bordering, Punjab bordering, they are also having what I said that Assam border, West Bengal region border with the Shivalik. In that region also seismic zone 4. A part of it, what I said that Delhi Haridwar ridge. Perhaps you remember? So Delhi Haridwar is also, because of that Delhi comes under seismic zone 4. And another one we have seen that Munger, Saharsa, Darbhanga ridge. Yes or not? Because of that the Bihar can come under, I said that seismic zone 4 or 5. But only, आप कभी map में भी देखोगे ना, in the case of Bihar, like it is your Nepal and here it is your what, Bihar. So here it is in an earthquake will be like move, it will be seismic zone 4 will be like this, and this is your Munger, Saharsa, Darbhanga. So here it is Munger, Saharsa, Darbhanga ridge. Understood it? So because of that you can be able to see, but do not go for exact mapping as it is given in the your Google map something if you'll find out. No? So earthquake zone in India. So don't go for exactness of it. Then we have seen that there are some plateaus of the Indias are, and they are, I said that Chota Nagpur, Baghelkhand, Bundelkhand, Madhya Bharat Pathar. Perhaps all of you remember. M for Madhya Bharat Pathar, M for Malwa, M for, I said that Mewar, Marwar, फिर Amarkantak or Amar होने Dandakaranya. Everybody is clear? And then I came for Kathiawad. Remember that Kutch के नीचे Kathiawad, lower region, Maharashtra region whole, Telangana, North Karnataka, Maharashtra, Deccan comes, and thereafter I said that which one? Karnataka Plateau, Rayalaseema, and which one? Tamil Nadu. It is clear to all of you? Yes? So we have been able to see that in this region that we have this kind of idea, and seismic zone 3, Indo-Gangetic plain, coastal area. Seismic zone 3 is what? Seismic zone plateaus are seismic zone 2, most stable, yes or not? And then seismic zone 3, it is Indo-Gangetic plain whole, and then coastal plain, western coastal plain or eastern coastal plain. It is clear? So we have seen the distribution, and 2% it is, 11% seismic zone 5, 18% I said that seismic zone 4, and seismic zone 3 is 30%. Total 59% of India is under the water, earthquake prone. Yes? And then 41% we have seen seismic zone 2. Clear? The plateaus of all this, generally we have seen like. Clear hai? Now, today we have to see like why India needs, why do India needs microjonation of seismic area. Why do India needs microjonation of seismic area? Microjonation of seismic area. Because generally we have seen there is a 4 zones are, yes or not? And be energetic in class. Seismic zone are how many? 4. But if we have heard about in 1992, there is a Latur earthquake, yes? and it is on the Deccan Plateau, and it converts into seismic zone 5 in the Latur. Understood? And then we have seen there is in the Koyna related, Koyna in the Maharashtra, we have got, I said that it is somewhere equivalent to seismic zone 5. And in the last few years, we are also finding there is a regular some seismic activity which is happening in the nearby Delhi, we understand, seismic zone 4. Yes or not? Delhi we know. But sometimes in the Haryana region and the Rajasthan region, it is also coming. So we need to find out, I said in 1934, Bihar has occurred. This phenomena does not occur every day, as I have said you. Yes or not? Yes or not? आप बोलते हो कि मैं रोड पर गाड़ी अपोजिट चला लूँगा, कुछ नहीं होता है, मैं 4 बार चला चुका हूँ, हो सकता है कि 100th टाइम आपका एक्सीडेंट हो. इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी. एनी टाइम अर्थक्वेक विल कम. अर्थक्वेक ऐसा है, फिनोमेना है कि वी कांट प्रिवेंट मीन्स ब्लॉक. हम अर्थक्वेक का डिजास्टर को ब्लॉक नहीं कर सकते हैं, बट वी कैन डू मिटिगेट, मतलब रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं. वी कैन डू प्रिपरेशन फॉर दिस. यस और नॉट? वी कैन नॉट प्रिवेंट इट. So यहाँ पर it is very much necessary that we should have an, I said, seismic zone division at the level of what? I said district level. We are right now, India is doing, and it has been about to completed, that we have done the zone, seismic zone, which district is under which kind of zone. And accordingly, then I said that plan will be there so that the suddenly rescue team should be ready for this. Getting my point? Suppose I said, first point, if I am talking about the way we have a mining in the different parts of India, mining. Understood it? If you are doing mining, तो mining से क्या पता चलता है कि sometimes if you are doing mining, there will be some kind of what I said, that a geological event can take place, an earthquake. So mining area can also it can also make that region to be what I said, that seismic zone prone. Yes or not? Somewhere it will be, earthquake can come in the disastrous form, nobody knows. Yes or not? You know that, like I said in the Koyna, if I am talking about, if there is suppose this is a Koyna, it is a dam. Understood? On Koyna river in Satara district of Maharashtra, dam has been formed, the water is accumulated. And suppose this water is through some cracks, water has gone this side. Yes or not? This is the crack. And then crack will cause lubrication. And then when the plate is moving, there is a possibility, suppose ye tala ke roop mein, like this, it is interlocked. It is, I said, that locked position. Understood? But somehow when the Indian Gondwana plate is moving, then possibility that it can break, because water has made lubricancy. Yes or not? So Koyna can be also the dams in India, different parts of the different parts in India, there is a dam is there and water pressure is also over there. Yes or not? So I am saying that there are so many causes are there. So the first हम लोग कहने जा रहे हैं, write down, the following are the reason India needs microgenation. First, several faults and gaps along river system. Several faults and gaps along river system. Got it? Shall I remove? So I said speak with me. Mahanadi, Narmada, Tapi. Can you remember in your mind? What are the name I said? Mahanadi, Narmada, Tapi, Vardha, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. If you see that in the Odisha, there is a Mahanadi river is there, and it is flowing in the fault. It is flowing in fault. Narmada is the river, it is flowing in the fault. Narmada fault. Listen me carefully, later on I will give you the chance to note it down. Tapi is flowing in the bigger fault. There is a Tapi fault. And here it is what I said, that which one? Mahanadi fault. It is clear. Thereafter I said that this is your Godavari fault. Which one? Godavari fault. And the one tributary of Godavari is, here it is, Vardha fault. Can you remember in your mind? Which are the name I said that? Mahanadi, Narmada, Tapi, Godavari, Vardha. Can you remember? And here it is, we have what I said, that Krishna. Here it is Krishna fault. And here we have which one? Kaveri fault. These are the fault is clear to you? Yes. Another fault you can be able to see that here it is in a Son fault. One river is there, Son river. And here it is a Son fault. And here it is Damodar fault. Can you remember in your mind? Yes or not? So can you say that here it is we have a Latur, here we have a Latur, it can be due to that I said that Godavari or nearby Vardha fault can be become active. Yes or not? That fault reason must have become what I said, that active. And there is, I said, in this region Naga gap. Which one I said? Naga gap. Here we have, I said that Assam gap. And here we have a Malda gap. Which one? Can you remember? Gap. Got it? Yes or not? So already I have said that Northeast India is a seismic zone 5, but there is some specific region they are highly prone, vulnerable. Yes or not? Because of this gaps. And I am talking about at the same time, here it is, you can say that there is which one? Koyna fault. Which one? Koyna fault. And Koyna is a tributary of Krishna. Is it clear? So it is also flowing in the fault, and I have told you like this, there is some kind of what I said, that cracks and faults are there. Yes or not? And in this fault the water goes, and then what has done? Lubricancy, and the lubricancy will make it what? Slippery, and it can what? When the plate is moving, it can cause some, any time it can convert into seismic zone 3 to seismic zone 5. This reason I have told you, this is your, I said that Chota Nagpur, Bagelkhand, there is all are plateau region. And it is a seismic zone 2 region, but it can any time can convert into seismic zone 3, 4 or 5. So first reason what we have discussed, there is I said that several faults, gaps along the river system. Understood it? So you can draw this figure, then I will make you to note down. This is Malda Gap. Clear? So, write down, in India, especially in peninsular India, which is made up of a strong rock system and stable plateaus can also be under seismic zone 3, 4 and 5, due to several faults in which river system has been developed. Several faults in which river system has been developed. During, full stop, during northward movement of Indian Gondwana plate, any of the fault can be active enough to cause high intensity of earthquake. Clear? Is it okay to all of you? Next point it is, I said that settlement along the river system, settlement along river system you know that North India, there is itself, you know that here it is a Ganga river, Yamuna river, and Satluj, Indus and Satluj river system and all. Several rivers are there in the North India. And it is flowing through the, you know that it is flowing through the sedimentary rocks and it is alluvial soil. And most of the settlement has been done where it is nearby the river, just at the bank of river. And this is not this small, I said that it is not a small settlement, it is the densest settlement. If you'll go and see Banaras, if you'll go and see Kanpur, if you'll go and see Allahabad, if you go and see Kannauj region, anywhere if you'll go, settlement is not, I said that small, dense settlement is there, dense compact settlement is there. Is it clear? And if you'll go into the Punjab, Haryana region, there is also the same situation is there. I said in the most of the north of India, and then water nearby the river bank 1.5 kilometer, There is a what? A high water level. Water level is what? Ground water level is high. Understood it? That makes the soil to be and rock to be lubricant. That makes soil and what I said, that rock to be, rock layer to be what? Lubricant during earthquake. And then building can collapse. Building can collapse. And that is, you can be able to say, like said that, ध्यान से liquid, it is known as liquefaction. Liquid नहीं बोल रहा हूँ मैं, liquid नहीं, liquefaction. Liquefaction means collapsing of the building. Collapsing of the building. Generally what happens, below the earth's surface there is one L wave is love waves runs. You know that love waves, or it is known as L wave. And it is moving like this. It is in a side by side and as well as up and down. Yes or not? This is it is, I said that side by side and up and down. That is causing building to be, what I said, that in every way shaking. It is clear? And that causes, I said, that collapse of the building easily if it is side by side. What is the meaning of side by side? I said that if it is the earth's surface, the particles will be, I said that when the waves moves, this particle will displace like this side by side, and what I said, that up and down. If the particles below will, I said, that side by side and up and down, then what will happen to the building? You can understand. Getting my point, everyone? So it is considered, then I said that L wave can do, it is the most disastrous wave. It is the most disastrous wave on the earth, seismic wave. And at the another end, it is, I said that another one, it is, I said, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, side and up and down, side by side and up and down. And then another Rayleigh wave is there, where the particles moves in the, what I said, that circular motion. And it is the second disastrous Rayleigh wave. It is the second disastrous Rayleigh wave. Now tell me, one is Rayleigh, another is a love wave. So it will be more impactful near to the bank, or it is near to the bank of the river, or away from the bank of the river, or in the harder rock. Harder rock mein Rayleigh wave and L wave, it will be, their wave energy will be, I said, that adjusted, and they will be absorbed by the hard rock. Yes or not? But in case of softer rock, and which is near to the, I said, that river bank, they are more prone to displace. Yes or not? And when they are more prone to displace, means there should not be a building nearby the. And then Delhi, in the same way, it is nearby the Yamuna bank. Yes or not? Yes or not? Getting my point? So it is in a highly seismic zone prone due to the river, I said, that flood I have told you earlier. And then another, it is an earthquake zone 5 itself, it comes under. So we can be say that the whole north of India, which is living along the bank of the river, they are highly prone to what? Anytime convert into seismic zone 4 or seismic zone 5. Anytime. Already they are 3. I have told you, North India is under seismic zone 3, Indo-Gangetic plain. Yes or not? Yeah, then mitti. But the river, the settlement which is living along river bank, they are prone to seismic zone 4 and 5 due to the, what I said, that groundwater will be high near to the bank, and which will make lubricancy, and any time L wave, generated L wave, strong L wave and Rayleigh wave can displace the layers of the rock, and it will convert into, what is it? Yes, seismic zone 4 and 5 kind of, what I said, that earthquake damage. Clear? Now let's go to the Mumbai. क्या है मुंबई के बारे में? ये समझ में आ गया? नॉर्थ इंडिया समझ में आ गया? Especially those cities living along the bank of the river. Another, do you know where is Mumbai and how it is? It has been formed. Not I am asking in the form of history. इसके फॉर्मेशन के बारे में जानते हैं? मुंबई फॉर्मेशन. Mumbai is actually an island. There are 7 islands, perhaps you have studied one island earlier that is known as Basin, perhaps Basin, Treaty of Basin in the Anglo-Maratha War आपने पढ़ा होगा, Second Anglo-Maratha War. चलो नहीं याद आ रहा है, कोई बात नहीं, जिनको नहीं पढ़े होंगे इसलिए नहीं याद आ रहा होगा, and नहीं तो भविष्य में आपको पढ़ना है. Basin Island. Similarly, Mumbai is actually Salsette Island. Which one I said that? Salsette Island. Here it is an island is there, Salsette. And this is suppose the land part. This is suppose the, I said, land part, and it is your India. But here it is what? Water body. And there is an island. And this island, and this is the water in between. And what the Britishers has done, they have deposited the sediments. And they have connected with the mainland with what? Mainland with island. Understood? This is Salsette Island. And here it is your Western Ghat. It means Mumbai cannot grow this side. Mumbai does not have the chance to grow wider. Why, yes or not? So whatever the island and nearby region, they can, what I said, that confiscate them and then try to convert into the land part. And they are doing like this. So can we say that this region will be highly lubricant? Because it is made over by depositing the sediments. Yes or not? So there it is high lubricancy. And आपने देखा होगा कि आए दिन बिल्डिंग बहुत सारी कोलैप्स होते रहती हैं. अब वहाँ पे कोई जियोलॉजिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया तो आता नहीं है और बोलता है कि यस दिस इज द रीजन दैट द अर्थक्वेक हैज दिस बिल्डिंग हैज बीन कोलैप्स्ड. बिल्डिंग स्ट्रक्चर लो होती है, लेकिन इतनी भी नहीं लो होती है कि वो ऐसा हो जाए. सो वी हैव टू मेक अकॉर्डिंगली, इफ द बेस वी हैव टू मेक मोर एंड मोर स्ट्रॉन्ग इन सच रीजन्स. परहैप्स आज समझ में आया होगा कि अच्छा मुंबई एक आइलैंड था, सैलसेट आइलैंड. अंडरस्टूड इट? सो यहाँ पर हम लोग लिखने चलते हैं एंड फटाफट हम लोग क्या देखते हैं ये स्टेल में. नॉर्थ इंडिया क्या क्या लिखवाया था? कुछ लिखा है मैंने इसमें? along the river system. लिखेंगे in northern India, most of the dense and compact settlement has been taken place along the river banks, and groundwater in the nearby region, up to 1.5 kilometer away from the bank is very high. कितनी दूरी तक? इसका मतलब है till the 1.5 kilometer there should not be settlement. Yes? लेकिन सारा सेटलमेंट कहाँ पे है? जस्ट रिवर पर ही है. Yes or not? So I said change the para. In such case, ये softer sedimentary rock को क्या बोलते हैं? Stratified rocks. Sedimentary rock is also known as, because it has been formed by one layer after another sediment of one, so it is also known as stratified rock. And stratified rock means there will be a layers. Strata का मतलब क्या होता है? Layer. Yes or not? Therefore sedimentary rock is also known as stratified rock. So stratified rock कैसा हो जाएगा? Highly lubricant. Yes or not? So लिखेंगे therefore क्या? In such case stratified rock will become highly lubricant and during a small intensity of earthquake ये रीजन किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा? सिस्मिक जोन 4 और 5 का डैमेज में। ये सिस्मिक जोन 4 और 5 में नहीं है, बट जो सिस्मिक जोन 4 और 5 में डैमेज आएगा वो यहां पे आ जाएगा, यस और नॉट। सो लिखेंगे देन इट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू एनी टाइम damage like seismic zone 4, damage like seismic zone 4 and 5 due to L and R seismic waves, due to L and R seismic wave. L means particles will move side and side and up and down. क्लियर है? लव के केस में ऐसा ही होता है। जब लव मैरिज होता है ना, तो पति जो होता है ना तो वाइफ का रहता है, तो इधर उधर चलते रहता है और माँ अपनी तरफ खींचती रहती है, तो ऊपर नीचे और आजू, तो उसका डिजास्टर स्टार्ट हो जाता है वहाँ से। सो यू कैन रिमेंबर लाइक आई सेड दैट लव वेव्स साइड बाय साइड एंड अप एंड डाउन, यस और नॉट। कभी माँ खींच रही है, कभी बहन भी खींचती है, समटाइम्स इट हैपेंस लाइक दिस। सो आई सेड दिस कैन कन्वर्ट इनटू सिस्मिक जोन 4 and 5। थोड़ा सा एक लाइन लिख लेंगे लास्ट में, दैट इज व्हाई डू सम टाइम देयर इज, आई सेड दैट बिल्डिंग्स आर कोलैप्सिंग इन द व्हाट आई सेड दैट मुंबई, यस और नॉट। और वो भी कभी भी कुछ भी कन्वर्ट हो सकता है। लिखेंगे एक्चुअली Mumbai is in a cell set island and it is connected with mainland through deposition of, yes, tell me, sediments. It means this region can also convert into, yes, 4 or 5 like damage, yes or not. It can convert into damage like seismic zone 4 and 5. So do you think that we need microjonation? अभी तक जो हमने बताया, do you think that we need microjonation? So next point, mining in different parts of India. Mining in different parts of India. क्लियर है? बस इतना ही लिख दोगे चल जाएगा आपको। माइनिंग करेंगे तो वहाँ पे माइनिंग में एक तरफ से मिट्टी निकाल रहे हो, तो उसको क्या कर रहे हो आप? स्टेबिलिटी को डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हो, यस और नॉट। अनदर वन, लिसन मी। अभी जैसे मैंने क्या बोला, सपोज करो कि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे रिवर्स चल रहे हैं, कहीं पे चल रहा है, कुछ भी इरोजनल फिनोमेना हो रहा है। इरोजनल फिनोमेना, कोई चीज़ इरोजन होता है तो एक साइड से आप क्या करते हैं, इरोड करते हैं एंड डिपोजिटिंग समवेयर एल्स, यस और नॉट। If you are eroding something from here and it is coming and depositing in this region, suppose I said, suppose the things have been eroded from here and deposited here. So what will happen in this region? Weight will reduce, yes or not. एक तरफ से आप क्या करेंगे, इरोड करेंगे और दूसरी जगह डिपॉजिट करेंगे तो वहाँ भार बढ़ेगा, और एक जगह आप क्या कर रहे हैं, यू आर रिमूविंग द वेट। इट का मतलब क्या है, ग्रेविटेशनल बैलेंस को आप डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हैं, यस और नॉट। तो हटाएंगे